Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. We are Key Deal, a real estate company helping homeowners navigate through various life situations by sharing industry insights, expert tips, and proven techniques that will empower you to take charge of your home selling journey. We understand that the prospect of selling your home can be both exciting and daunting. You want to achieve the best possible outcome while avoiding common pitfalls that could delay a quick and smooth sale of your home. This brings us to our guide on how to sell your house fast in today's market. If you're a homeowner looking to make a quick move, you're in the right place. The real estate market can be highly tricky to navigate, and selling your home quickly requires a strategic approach. In this video, we'll walk you through a series of steps and strategies that will help you maximize your chances of a swift and successful sale. Whether you're relocating for a job, downsizing, or just ready for a change, our goal is to provide you with the knowledge and tools to make your home sale as smooth and quickly as possible. Before we get to our guide on how to sell your house fast in today's market, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. So let's dive into the first step, enhancing curb appeal. This is where the journey to selling your house fast begins. First impressions matter, and when it comes to selling your house, that initial impression often begins at the curb. A well-maintained and visually appealing exterior can make prospective buyers more eager to see what's inside. One of the first things you can do to boost your home's curb appeal is to focus on landscaping and lawn care. Trim overgrown bushes, weed flower beds, and mow the lawn regularly. Consider adding colorful flowers or plants to create a welcoming atmosphere. Next, evaluate the exterior of your home. Is the paint chipping or faded? Are there visible repairs that need attention? A fresh coat of paint on the front door and any trim can do wonders to revitalize your home's appearance. Addressing minor repairs, such as a loose railing or broken step, is equally important. Also, don't forget about your walkways and driveways. Pressure washing these surfaces can remove years of dirt and grime, giving them a fresh and clean look. Repair any cracks or uneven areas to ensure safety and visual appeal. Lastly, focus on your front entrance. It's the focal point of your home's exterior. Consider updating the door hardware, adding a welcoming doormat, and ensuring proper lighting. A well-lit, attractive front entrance sets a positive tone for potential buyers. In conclusion, enhancing your home's curb appeal is a vital first step in the journey to selling your house quickly. Remember, a well-maintained exterior not only attracts more buyers, but also can increase your home's perceived value. Stay tuned for the next step in our guide, where we'll delve further into strategies for a successful home sale. In step 2 of our guide on how to sell your house fast in today's competitive real estate market, we'll dive into the art of home staging and how it can significantly impact the sale of your home. Home staging is all about presenting your home in its best possible light, allowing potential buyers to envision themselves living there. It's not just about making your home look pretty. It's about maximizing its appeal and functionality. The first step in home staging is decluttering and depersonalizing your space. Remove personal photos, excess knickknacks, and any items that make the space look crowded. You want potential buyers to focus on the home's features, not your personal belongings. Also, consider the layout of your furniture. Rearrange it to create an open and inviting flow throughout the rooms. Pay attention to traffic patterns and ensure furniture placement highlights the room's purpose. Additionally, neutral colors can make your home more appealing to a broader range of buyers. Consider painting any bold or personalized walls in neutral tones. This not only freshens up the space, but also allows buyers to imagine their own style. During staging, emphasize your home's key features. If you have a beautiful fireplace, showcase it by arranging furniture around it. If there's a stunning view, make sure it's visible from key vantage points. In conclusion, home staging is a critical step in the home selling process. It helps your home stand out in a competitive market and allows potential buyers to see its full potential. In the next step, we'll explore how addressing necessary repairs can further enhance your home's marketability. Stay tuned. Welcome to step 3 of our guide on how to sell your house fast in today's market. In this step, we'll discuss a critical aspect of preparing your home for a quick sale, addressing necessary repairs. Before listing your home, it's crucial to ensure that it's in the best possible condition. Addressing necessary repairs not only makes your home more appealing to buyers, but also prevents potential deal breakers during inspections. Consider hiring a professional inspector to conduct a pre-listing inspection. This will help you identify any hidden issues that might deter buyers or lead to negotiation roadblocks later. Being proactive in addressing these concerns can save you time and money in the long run. Fix any minor issues around the house. Leaky faucets, squeaky doors, chipped paint, or loose cabinet handles might seem insignificant, but they can detract from the overall impression of your home. A little effort in this regard can go a long way. For more significant issues like a leaky roof or a malfunctioning HVAC system or outdated kitchen appliances, consider whether it's worth addressing them before listing. In some cases, investing in necessary repairs or renovations can increase your home's value and appeal, justifying the expense. Remember to keep records of all repairs and renovations you've made. Having this documentation can instill confidence in potential buyers and streamline the sales process. Addressing necessary repairs is an investment in a faster and more successful home sale. It ensures that your home is in top condition and minimizes potential setbacks during negotiations. Stay tuned for our next step, where we'll dive into the art of strategic negotiations to ensure you get the best deal for your property. Welcome to Step 4 of our guide on how to sell your house fast in today's market. In this step, we'll explore the art of strategic negotiations, a crucial phase in the home selling process. Negotiating effectively can make a significant difference in how quickly and profitably you sell your house. It's not just about getting the highest price, but also about securing a deal that aligns with your goals. When you're in the process of selling your house, one of the most important principles of negotiation is to be open to reasonable offers from potential buyers. While it's natural to want to get the best possible price for your home, it's also crucial to strike a balance between securing a good deal and facilitating a quick and smooth transaction. In a competitive market, you may receive multiple offers from different buyers. While it's tempting to hold out for the highest offer, it's important to evaluate each offer carefully. Negotiations extend beyond price. They can involve contingencies, closing dates, and repairs. Be prepared to discuss these aspects as well, and be clear about your preferences and boundaries. For example, flexibility on the closing date can make your offer more attractive to potential buyers. Some buyers may need more time to close due to their own circumstances, such as being approved for FHA loans. By accommodating various closing date options, you can appeal to a broader range of buyers and facilitate a smoother transaction. Strategic negotiations are a pivotal step in selling your home quickly and successfully. It requires a balance of assertiveness and flexibility, as well as a keen understanding of the market. Welcome to Step 5 in our guide on how to sell your house fast in today's market. In this step, we'll explore a unique and expedited approach to selling your home, considering a cash sale option. A cash sale is exactly what it sounds like. A buyer pays for your home entirely in cash. This can significantly streamline the home selling process and offers distinct advantages. One of the most significant benefits of a cash sale is speed and certainty. Cash buyers can often close on a property within a matter of days or weeks, as opposed to the longer closing timelines associated with traditional financing. Traditional buyers often rely on mortgage financing, which can introduce complications and delays, such as appraisals and loan approvals. Cash sales eliminate these potential hurdles, reducing the risk of the deal falling through. Cash buyers are typically more willing to purchase homes in their current condition, meaning you can often sell your home as is without the need for costly repairs or renovations. Cash buyers often make competitive offers because they understand the value of a quick and hassle-free transaction. While cash offers may sometimes be slightly lower than financed offers, the benefits can outweigh the difference. When considering a cash sale, it's crucial to work with reputable and experienced cash buyers or real estate investors. This ensures a smooth and reliable transaction. A cash sale option can be an excellent choice for those looking to sell their home quickly and with minimal stress. However, it's essential to weigh the advantages against any potential differences in the offer price. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our guide on how to sell your house fast in today's market. We hope this comprehensive journey has equipped you with the valuable insights and strategies to make your home selling experience a resounding success. In today's competitive real estate landscape, selling your house quickly and efficiently requires careful planning, attention to detail, and a proactive approach. In our opinion, the fastest way to sell a house is a cash sale, as it's more convenient and provides certainty of closing. You could avoid long waiting times, skip repair hassles, and rest easy knowing the deal won't fall through due to financing issues. If you're considering selling your house for cash, reach out to us at key-deal.com. We'd love to help you navigate through your unique situation. And remember, if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and leave your questions or comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful content just like this. Thank you for watching.